Hello everyone, we are very proud to present to you our new industrial smart hub named Connect, a DeSutter 4.0 solution. Connect is a platform which manages all items, actions and information related to your assembly line activities to accelerate your transformations by boosting your flexibility, boosting your uptime and boosting your productivity. The Connect is a multi-tool solution provider. Simply activate a tightening unit in the Connect for each tool. A tightening unit is an ecosystem of one cordless tool and all items, action and information related to it. Two Connect versions are available. One version is Connect W, which embeds a wireless access point. A Connect W can activate up to 10 tightening units, which means that up to 10 cordless tools can be connected and used on one Connect W. The other version is a Connect X, which requires an external wireless access point. A Connect X can activate up to 20 tightening units, which means that up to 20 cordless tools can be connected and used on the Connect X. Connect offers a single point of connection for communications between the factory network and up to 20 cordless tools, reducing the cost of ownership and simplifying installations for easier line rebalancing. The entire family of DeSutter Wi-Fi tools are compatible with our industrial smart hub. And all new tools in development will also be compatible. We have designed the Connect to be future-proof. In addition, dedicated error-proofing accessories included socket tray, stack light, operator control and remote user interfaces help assure 100% reliability of the process control. With a volume of only 4 liters, Connect is a compact and powerful solution, easy to install anywhere in the plant desired. Indeed, you can install the Connect in the workstation, at the end of the production line, on the process manager desk, or even in the server room. With this industrial smart hub approach, your assembly line will be free from cables, your workstations will have more space available, and imagine, if all the connects are in the same room, there is no need to walk the line to check each station. Just go to the Connect area and be focused on what you need to do. That boosts your productivity. And if you need to have a feedback from a workstation, we have a solution with the DeSutter Site Remote HMI, which you can fine-tune for each screen for each workstation according to your requirements. Cordless tools can move easily to maintain or improve the quality and the productivity level of your assembly line. It can be for tools calibrations, maintenance or reassignment to another workstation. Optimizing the process to boost your productivity also requires the flexibility to rebalance the line and relocate the tool easily. With RFID easy pairing, DeSutter cordless tools pair with any Connect and are ready to work in a fast and effective way. And obviously, you can add a new cordless tool whenever you want without disrupting other tools already running on the line. Nowadays, things are moving so fast that we must constantly adapt to meet new challenges. Industrial devices are also subject to this trend. So, DeSutter designs accordingly. That is why we have implemented feature management with the Connect to boost your flexibility. With feature management, you can fine-tune each tightening unit according to the requirements of each workstation. This means that depending on the need, you can activate and allocate a feature on one tightening unit and not on the other one. In the end, you get what you really need. And if after a while, one feature is no longer of value on tightening unit, thanks to our easy feature rebalancing, you can reallocate this feature to another tightening unit on another Connect very quickly and easily. Feature management is a scalable solution which allows you to upgrade your workstations whenever you want. If a DeSutter feature fits perfectly with your new requirement, you just have to activate it and you are ready to use it. Thanks to our DeSutter software package, tightening strategy, assembly process, KPI management, track and trace solution, full traceability and more are available in order to support you in your quality and productivity approaches. The Connect is an industrial smart hub conceived and designed to strongly support and accelerate your transformations toward an Industry 4.0 factory. Choosing the Connect on your production line guarantees to boost your flexibility, boost your uptime, boost your productivity.